Feeling sluggish, struggling to sleep, or noticing your face looks less defined? This could be signs of protein deficiency. Protein isn't just for muscles, it affects brain function, sleep, hormone balance, and even how you handle stress. Let's break down the key signs and how fixing them can transform your health. Brain fog and mental sluggishness. Struggling to focus or feeling mentally slow? Protein provides amino acids needed for neurotransmitters that keep your brain sharp. A protein-packed breakfast like eggs or a smoothie can clear that fog and improve concentration. Poor sleep quality. Tossing and turning at night? Protein helps produce serotonin and melatonin, which regulate sleep. A light, protein-rich snack before bed like Turkey or Greek yogurt can promote deeper rest. Constant cravings. Craving salty or sweet foods? Protein stabilizes blood sugar, preventing spikes and crashes that trigger cravings. High-protein snacks like nuts or boiled eggs can help curb them. Muscle loss and softer facial features. If your muscles feel weaker or your face looks less defined, your body may be breaking down muscles for energy. Protein maintains muscle tone and keeps your face looking sculpted. Eating more protein along with strength training can restore that definition. Hair thinning and dull skin. Losing more hair than usual or noticing dull skin? Protein is crucial for hair growth and skin repair. Collagen, a protein found in bone broth and eggs, keeps skin firm and youthful. Hormone imbalances. Low protein can throw off hormone production, leading to mood swings, energy crashes, and weight gain. Steady protein intake supports balanced hormones and stable energy throughout the day. Increased stress and anxiety. When life gets stressful, your body needs more protein to manage stress hormones. Without enough, stress feels overwhelming. Lean meats, beans, and nuts help support your body's responses to stress. And let's talk about how to fix it. Aim for at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. More if you're active. Include lean meats, fish, beans, tofu, and collagen supplements in your meals. Your body gives clear signals when it's lacking protein. Brain fog, cravings, poor sleep, softer muscles, and changes in appearance. Prioritizing protein can help you look better, feel sharper, sleep soundly, and handle stress more effectively. Small changes make a big impact. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.